Okay, I realized once we finished the last video that we had not done the key thing that I wanted to do, starting with my new videos. And I want you guys to start, we're going to do the key question. So the first key question for this is, how can we determine the number of valence electrons in an atom of a representative element? And that was back here in the notes, and you should be able to find it somewhere in there. That would be the first key question. Then, as we scroll down to lower in our lecture, okay, we also have the atoms of which elements then tend to gain electrons, and atoms of which elements tend to lose electrons. Well, we're going to find those over the next few questions. In fact, the next couple of questions are all in this region here. So the first one's going to be this 4A1 and so on. And the next, you'll find the answer to the second question right here. But also, how do cations form and how do anions form? Those also come from this same region. Now, once we've finished this, and we've finished 6.1, we are going to go to our section 7.1 quiz right now. Okay, and the first question is, how many valence electrons are there in an atom of oxygen? Wait for a minute. So what did you find? How many valence electrons are there in an atom of oxygen? Well, because oxygen is in group 6A, or written as VIA, then there would be 6 valence electrons in an atom of oxygen. Okay, so that's the first one. Next question. Next question is this. An atom that tend to gain a noble gas configuration by losing valence electrons are metals, nonmetals, noble gases, or representative elements. And the correct answer for this one, if they're going to lose valence electrons, that means they're going to gain a positive charge. And that means metals are the ones that gain a positive charge. So that's going to be the right answer there. Okay, pause, and next question. And here's our next question. When a magnesium atom forms a cation, it does so by losing 2 electrons, gaining 2 electrons, losing 1 electron, gaining 1 electron. So pause the video, figure out the answer, and come back, and we'll give you the answer. And we're back. When does a magnesium form? When a magnesium atom forms a cation, it does so by, well, if it's a cation, that means it's positive. So, just jumped right there. So we will lose 2 electrons. A would be the right answer. And last one, here we go. Question 4. When a bromine atom forms an anion, it does so by losing 2 electrons, gaining 2 electrons, losing 1 electron, or gaining 1 electron. Pause the video, try and answer it, and I'll give the answer when we come back. Okay, we're back. And bromine atom, well, if you hopefully found bromine, it's a halogen. It's all the way over there next to the noble gases. And so bromine is going to gain 1 electron to look like a noble gas, and that's what it does when it forms an anion, because anions are negative. So, if you have any questions on those, be sure to ask me, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And we'll see you next time.